Hi everybody, my name's Phil, I'm the Enrolment Manager at Option Skills. We're down at the Birmingham branch today to have a look around the centre. In the Birmingham centre we offer 3 different types of courses. We offer full domestic gas and plumbing courses. We also offer full routes to students looking for career change to become qualified electricians, and also as well we offer courses for pre-existing plumbers and heating engineers in the trade that are looking at becoming renewable heating engineers. Today what we're going to do, we're going to have a brief look around our gas and plumbing studios. Hi guys, we're down at Unit 1, ground floor at the Jubilee Centre in Birmingham. In this unit we carry out the first 2 weeks of the 8-week managed learning programme in foundation gas and plumbing. If you just want to follow me through, I'll give you a walk around. This is the practical studio. Students will learn all their piping skills on the benches, and then as the first couple of weeks of the course goes by, they'll transfer their piping skills into the bays where they'll get the chance to install radiators, do copper runs, hang gas meters, connect cookers, learn how to do pressure testing and tightness testing. As well as later on in the course, students will return back to this practical studio and learn how to install hot water storage systems, and also as well carry out day-to-day plumbing maintenance on bathroom and kitchen fixtures. This is one of the actual training bays we take students through on week 8, incorporating different styles of hot water storage systems. What we've got here is a standard copper cylinder, gravity fed from the header tank. All students though, as a part of their 8-week programme, will go through their assessments, training to complete their first qualification, which is on unvented hot water storage systems. This is a crucial part to them becoming a heating engineer. We're in the renewable training studio at the moment. Alongside our gas and plumbing courses and electrical courses, we offer renewable heating systems which incorporates air sourced and ground sourced heat pumps. This is available for any pre-existing gas engineers, domestic gas engineers or level 3 plumbers. A lot of our students now coming through our domestic gas and plumbing course will then go on to doing our 2-week renewable course to make them multi-skilled with different types of heating systems that are now out in the industry, especially as the UK is trying to go carbon neutral by 2050. Behind me we've got the air sourced heat pumps with unvented cylinders and expansion vessels, and on the other side we've got our ground sourced heat pumps as well. Welcome back. We're in Unit 107 at Option Skills Birmingham Training Centre. This is where all the fun happens. Final couple of weeks of your training, you're going to get hands-on with working with different styles of gas boilers, system boilers, combi boilers. You'll learn how to install and commission. You also learn how to service the appliances. You also learn fault finding and breakdowns. All students have got to show at the end of these 2 weeks that they are safe and capable of undertaking the jobs as a gas safe engineer. We do have a unit for our students to go to prior to this one, a Unit 108. This is where we teach you the ins and outs of core gas safety. Currently it's occupied with students training at the moment, but this will cover your main elements of ventilation, working with different chimneys, different flues, covering areas of combustion, and also the safety control systems for one of your main qualifications, which is known as the CCM1 core gas safety. I hope you've enjoyed your tour of our gas training facilities at our Birmingham Centre. This completes the 8-week managed learning programme. What our trainees will then go on to is a stage 2 of 3 stages. This is where you've got to go out under the supervision of a gas safe engineer and provide an evidence portfolio of work that you've actually carried out while being supervised. The portfolio is to show a selection of work of what gas engineers do on a day-by-day basis. And what you've got to do is you've got to provide that evidence back to us that you can actually carry the work out to a gas safe standard. Once you've gained enough experience and you're now ready to undertake your final assessments, you'll return back to the Birmingham training facility for what's called your ACS. This is a 2-week assessment period where you'll undergo a series of assessments, both theory and practical, to gain your main industry qualification called the Core Gas Safety CCM1, and also qualify to work on different appliances like boilers, cookers, gas fires and water heaters. Once you've actually completed all 3 stages of our course, you will be a fully qualified domestic gas engineer. That'll lead on to employment with firms like AO.com, SSE or British Gas. It also gives you the ability that if you're looking at going self-employed and starting a business up, you'll be able to register with Gas Safe directly, as you'll have your full set of qualifications. For more details on our gas training courses, you can call into the office on 0800 802 1306. That's 0800 802 1306. We're available 7 days a week. Look forward to speaking to you.